Yo, what's up everyone? Today's a big day, I'm looking forward to it. So today's video, I brought some numpty mates around as well. So I don't know, I think everyone's got a mate like that, you know. And he's like a guilty secret, but anyway. And I'm actually trying to do serious now, wait. Yo, what's up everyone? No, you won't. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to today's video. Looking forward to it. A little bit of a trip into Ace Cafe, big Indian day, so waiting on the side of the road for some guys from Moorespeed, and then we're all heading into the Ace. So stay tuned, I hope you like it, and if you like the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it, guys. Anyway, stay safe.
I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean. Gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag a black eye, and if he swings at me, then I'll bust that sucker's knee. 'Cause tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. The meanest hunk of meat that anyone's ever seen. Get out of the way of the hurricane. There's a heavy price to pay. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. And tonight I'm gonna drink like Daddy done. Gonna have to fool and keep on till the dawn. Drink 15 pints of beer, then I'll go right out here. And tonight I'm gonna drink like Daddy done. 'Cause I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. The meanest hunk of meat that anyone's ever seen. Get out of the way of the hurricane. There's a heavy price to pay.
What Sonia forgot to ask you as part of that question is, what is it like for everybody else riding with you?